Hello, in this video I will show you how to test if the clutch pulley on the alternator is working fine. On the car, if you have some squeaking noises of vibration in the tensioner or on the belt itself, there might be a problem with the tensioner, with the clutch pulley. When we turn the clutch pulley, we can see the cooling fins turning. So in order to test if the clutch pulley is working fine, we have to jam the cooling fins with a screwdriver. And when the cooling fins are jammed, the clutch pulley should be turning only in one direction. If it's not turning in any direction, or if it's moving in both directions, that means that the clutch pulley is not working. Here in this case, it's not moving in any direction, so that means the clutch pulley is jammed, so it needs to be replaced. So now we will replace the clutch pulley. First we need to remove the plastic cap, and we'll start removing the clutch. Here's how the clutch pulley looks on the inside, and now we'll show how to remove the clutch. These are the tools that I need for the clutch pulley. This is for the smaller hole that has to go inside, and this is a special tool for clutch pulleys that will go into the bigger hole, and it will go into this tool. And now we'll start turning the clutch. Depending on the clutch pulley, some of them you have to untighten them in clockwise direction. Other ones you have to untighten them in anti-clockwise direction. So you should check on the new pulley first in which way it has to be untightened. In our case, we already untightened it. Now we have to only turn it and remove the clutch pulley. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the clutch pulley out. Now we have to put on the new clutch pulley. So we'll tighten it the same way that we untightened it, and that's now that the new pulley is on, we'll test if the clutch pulley is spinning only in one direction. We'll put screwdriver to jam the cooling fins, and we'll see how the clutch pulley turns. Yep, we can see that it's only turning in one direction, on the other direction it's jumped, so that's how it has to be. It locks into the cooling fins when the clutch pulley is working correctly. So that's it. Clutch pulley is replaced. We can put the alternator back on the car. Thank you for watching.